bundle 1. Bundle 1 runs from PE. PE 74 99 35 01 B. It runs to ME 253 240 58A. Then bundle 5.
Denomination
100. Bundle 5 runs from PA 00 76
00
00 76 3009 B. It runs to PB 439 289 32 K. Denomination 100. Bundle 3 bundle 3.
When you say runs from, how do we ascertain that it's actually running serious?
So your worship, we have been checking our execute and we are certain. Your lordship, we have been checking our execute and we know how it runs.
We understood what the judge has said.
They have to confirm.
They want to confirm?
The question was, they are not ascending or descending.
Give us the next bundle after 5.
I give
Next bundle.
Next bundle after 5.
6.
There's bundle 3. It runs from PB 10 82 72 01 L to PB 10 82 73 00 L. Denomination 100. Bundle 6. The run is from PB 474 623 35L to PB 114 916 05L. Denomination is 100. Any bundle 2. It runs from MF 931 945 23A. It runs to PF 717 074 60E 60E.
What denomination?
Denomination is 100 also dollars. I have extra dollars in the denomination of 5, 1, 1 and 20.
One. There are 2 notes.
The 2 notes of 1, then 1 note of 5, 1 note of 20.
1 note of 5.
Then 1 note of 20.
Rims z'emmotoka 4, emipiira nga girina ne rings 5, side mirror covers nga za Land Cruiser, toolbox ya bako, mubaddemu n'eya strum nga mulimu ne strum hammer ey'okudrilinga, mubaddemu amplifier ya music y'emmotoka endala, mubaddemu toolbox ya parkside nga mulimu parkside sewing machine, mubaddewo n'endala parkside toolbox naye ng'erimu drilling hammer, wabaddewo toolbox endala nga ya Bosch ng'emubaddemu kata, wabaddewo toolbox endala ya parkside nga ntonoko ng'erimu colocatas, parkside toolbox ng'erimu enyondo, parkside toolbox endala, wabaddewo n'endala parkside toolbox.
There are 4 watches. The 4 watches. The first one is the T-Sword. T-I-S-S-O-T. R-Y-O-B-I.
How are these items described on the certificate? Yes, this box.
This box now, this is in assorted. I think you cannot remove this. It comes out assorted. The rest are named.
Assorted what?
Cheated clothes.
Where was
It's under the tent where they were spraying that there. The tent was being used like a garage.
Does it be a brand name? What's the name of the...
It is a double value capacitance Gronius motor.
Check the name. Can you identify the exit?
The numbers we will need.
Where did you recover this from?
I recovered it hidden in Mbalwa opposite NBS. We did not show details with URA. So I had to involve Interpol.
You had to involve Interpol, you're testifying.
Yes, I mean, was it physically visible? Chassis number.
The chassis number. It was just around here, near this time.
Can you identify
But you
this?
said it was not physically visible. That's why I'm wondering.
Is it visible for
Yeah,
you
it
to
was
show
visible.
court?
It is visible.
Can you show it to court, the alteration? Do you have the key? Did you establish ownership?
Yeah, when I checked his URI, I discovered it is actually the vehicle whose number plate is affixed on that land
What is
cruiser.
the registration number of this vehicle?
UBJ 521N.
Who was the owner at the time you did the...
Chiemba. Chiemba actually the brother
Complete
to...
the name, Chiemba who?
I'm forgetting the second name, but at least I recall it Chiemba. He's actually the brother to A2.
Have a look at the identified altered chassis.
Under a tank being sprayed in the home of Sipapa.
Which vehicles?
The Jeep Cherokee
Yes.
and Audi.
Those ones came on third.
Pardon?
Came on third, those
Yes.
two.
Yes.
The Audi and the Jeep.
Yes. The marks are different.
Who marked them? Is it
Not me who marked them.
investigators?
The chief investigator can explain about it since we investigated as a team.
Why do you see resemblance of both?
What's the color?
These are methods. They merely smear a gold color on it for purposes of defrauding.
No.
I know how.
You're speaking authoritatively, have you? And these pellets?
What are these?
All these are metals.
Metals.
All these are metals.
Ekifaananyi kye ng'ali nga simulaba. Ono mukyala
Yeah.